G to CD. The U.S. Navy's Nimitz-class aircraft carrier USS Nimitz has embarked the future cased unmanned refueling aircraft.
Clear the deck, clear the deck. Copy that, moving the gear now. Clear the foul line. Final checks on the Hornet, let's go.
Stingray, you are clear for engine start. Clear the deck, stand by for cats. Puffer clear of the wing. Launch, launch, launch.
Stingray, hold position at Charlie 2. Harbor traffic approaching, maintain vector 30. Clear to launch on catapult 3.
Clear the deck, stand by for launch. Launch in 5.
Chalk the T1, we have a green light on the hydraulics test. Roger, chocks are in.
Clear the deck! Move that tractor now! We are underway! All right, taxi the Stingray to spot 5. Roger that, moving the drone now.
Check the fuel line connection.
Fuel line secure, yellow gear clear.
Launch sequence in standby.
Clear the track, move the aircraft forward onto the catapult, stop on my signal.
Clear the foul line. Final checks on the Stingray. Catapult pressure holding.
Stingray T1 systems check complete, awaiting clearance. Copy that, hold short for inbound Hornet. The deck is green, launch sequence initiated. Copy that, we are clear for departure. Nimitz, this is the Powhatan. We are approaching your starboard bow. Request permission to make contact.
Roger that, Powhatan. Proceed with caution.
Clear the flight deck. All personnel stand clear of the Stingray. Final approach, runway 19er.
What a beautiful day for a celebration.
It's great to have the Nimitz back. Welcome aboard the USS Nimitz. We are thrilled to celebrate our partnership with the community today.
Systems check is green.
Copy that. Initiating engine run sequence.
All personnel clear the blast zone.
the drogue now, a little tighter on the left. Got it, we are plugged in.
Hold the turn, watch your starboard wing. Roger that, tower. Proceeding to taxiway.
Clear the starboard side. Steady on, steady on. Hold the mark, coming right.
Clear the deck, clear the deck. Elevator secure, commence movement to the bow.
Roger that, bringing her forward now.
Slow down, bring it left. Left a little more. All right, stop. Hold. Clear the foul line, move. Easy back, watch your wingtip, clear on the right.
Clear to push, maintain slow speed, watch the wingtip.